Welcome back, guys. This is KOK Party Favors. We're going to do the assembly of these Hershey purses with this beautiful velvet cardstock. And I went ahead and cut out another pattern. This one is purple and an off-white. And then this is our pink and green, okay? So we're going to assemble the pink one first. And what I'm going to do is these tabs on the end, I'm going to fold those in. Okay, so this is what the clutch looks like folded, okay? So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to run some hot glue along that tab and this tab, okay? Okay, so we're just going to take it up, hold down both sides, make sure we get our seal on both sides so our Hershey bar won't come out. Okay. Let that sit for a minute. So we're going to get our Hershey bar ready. And I already cut the chain to size. And this is how we're going to close it. We're going to close it with a Velcro this time. So one side is tacky, one is really soft. So what I'm going to do is take the one that's really tacky, or that has the ridges in it, and I'm going to put it there. Okay? And then the other is the real soft one. And so I'm going to put it here. Okay? So that's how we're going to close it on the end, okay? Now I'm going to go ahead and get this chain put on. So I'm going to put a little bit of glue here and some on this end. And what I'm going to do is take one end and then I'll take this end. And I think what I want to do is put just a little bit more hot glue over it just to make sure it stays put. Okay, so we're going to wait and let that dry a little bit. Make sure we get a good seal there. This little fold here. Okay. All right. So we got our Hershey bar inside now. What I'm going to do is take this little pearl, little rhinestone. I'm going to add it to our purse here. Okay, and I'm just going to hold that down to get a good seal on it. Okay, so this is our end product. Came out beautiful. This is the back. That is the front. It came out really well. Okay, so we'll put this to the side and we'll work on our next Hershey bar purse. Okay, so I'm going to start folding along those score lines. Get that out the way. Okay, so I have everything folded along our score lines. And what I'm going to do this time, I am just going to put some hot glue on this fold here. And some on the other side. Okay. Then I'm going to fold both of them up and put them down. So you really don't have to glue twice. You can just glue it once. That's fine. Okay. So we just hold both of those sides and make sure we get a good seal. Okay, so we're going to go back and get our little Velcro closures here. And we're using these little dots that Cricut cut in the pattern. We're using them. There's one here and there's one at the top. And that's what we use as a guide to where to lay our Velcro pieces, okay? All right. I'll test that and make sure we got those in the right spot. Okay. All right. Now we're going to put our chain on. Put some glue there. Okay. And we're going to put our other. Okay, so now we're ready for the insertion of our Hershey bar. Okay. I think this glue is, well, it's not set yet, so we're gonna give it a little, just a little while longer. Now for this one, I am going to use this flower or this butterfly. I'm not sure which one, but one of these will be on the front, and it's purple. So we'll use one of these. I guess I'll use the butterfly. He's a little bit bigger than the flower. So I'll use him on the front. Okay, now we're going to glue our butterfly on. Okay, so let's get him right over here. Oh, that's cute. That's really cute. Okay, let that set for a minute. And we're going to have our finished product. It turned out really beautiful, guys. Okay, guys, this is our finished product. It turned out beautiful. Here's the back, and here's the front. It came out really, really nice. All right, guys, that's the end of this assembly tutorial, and I will see you guys in the next video.